Okay, so here we have a 70 El Camino with a 355 small block. It's got a nice little camshaft in it, headers, Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock carb, Doug's headers, full dual exhaust. It's got torque thrust D's on it, 15-inch wheels. Take a listen to this thing, the way it runs. Starts right up. Was completely redone about 7 years ago with new paint, new body seals, chrome, all that stuff. It's originally a California car. There's no rust issues. Doors shut real nice. Air conditioning works, blows nice and cold. Always get thumbs up no matter where I drive it.